अरे रे रे रे, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं भाई? This isn't some wedding संगीत video. I'm making my dad's 50th video. Let's start again, shall we? By the way, guys, this song is one of my dad's favorite. See the Titanic pose. My mom and dad said, let's do it in the jungle.
इकरार हुआ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इन बाहों को इन राहों को छोड़ ये छलिया जाए कहाँ माना दिल तो है
You see that black and white picture there? That's one of my favorite pictures. Except Buddy doing something in his nose.
जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे।
Before we get into this, I wanted to share something. A lot of who I am today is because of him. The way I think, the way I handle things, it all comes from watching him. I still remember one night when I came back home and I said, Papa, I want to go to the US. And he was shocked at first, but then he believed in me. And that meant everything. He's always been this calm, steady presence. You know, never too loud, never trying to prove anything, just solid. And I have to say, everything I've learned about life comes from that. So yes, I wanted to share 3 things, my top 3 things that his 50 years have taught us. The first one, do the right thing. Sounds simple, right? But that's pretty much been his rule for everything. Even when it's not easy, no one's watching, he does what's right. And I think that's what I still have to learn, but it's one of the biggest lessons.
मैं तो किसी की होके ये भी न जानी रुत है ये तो पल की याद रहेगी सदा है पता है पता सबने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद सबने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते भूलता सा है कोई किनारा भूलता सा है कोई किनारा भूलता सा है कोई किनारा भूलता सा है कोई किनारा।
He's always told me, don't worry about things that aren't in your hands. But obviously, when you have to step up, you have to give it everything. And he does that balance, knowing when to hold back and when to give your all. That's something I've admired about him.
सब ये रूप है मेहनत के कुछ करने की चाहत के किसी का किसी से कोई बैर नहीं सबके एक ही सपने हैं सोचो तो सब अपने हैं कोई भी किसी से यहाँ गैर नहीं सीधी बात है समझो यारा तारा तारा
ये तारा ओ तारा हर तारा ये तारा ओ तारा हर तारा देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा ये तारा ओ तारा हर तारा
ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो चकमकाया आसमान सारा
झलमक तारे दो तारे नौ तारे सौ तारे झलमक सारे हर तारा है शरारा।
And the final one, family is everything. I don't think I have to talk about this. Everyone who's watching this video knows what family means to him.
आजा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयां रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं ना जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया
रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे फकीरा रे फकीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा.
Alright, now this part's special. We asked a few people who mean a lot to you to share a few words about you. And let's just say everyone had something to say.
આજ તારો જન્મદિવસ બેટા, એ હતો તારા જન્મ થયાનો હર્ષનો દિવસ. કોણ કહે છે કે આંસુ રુદનના સથવારે આવી છે, પરંતુ નહીં બેટા, તારું રુદન હાસ્યની હેલી લઈ આવ્યું હતું. મારું આંગણું અજવાળવા તારા પગલાં પડ્યા, ઈશ્વરના આશીષ મળ્યા. અમારા બંનેના એટલે કે મારા અને પપ્પાના હૈયા હેલે ચડ્યા. તું આવ્યો જીવનમાં ખુશીઓની બારાત લઈ. બેટા, હોઠ અને દિલમાં છે આજ તારી જ વાત. તારા જન્મદિનનો ખુશી ભર્યો અહેસાસ. નિરખું તારા નખરા દિવસ અને રાત. તારા રૂપમાં મળી છે મને મનગમતી સોગાત. બેટા, આજ આશીષ છે મારા. આંખમાં ખુશી, હોઠ પર હસી, ગમનું ક્યાંય નામ ન હો. તને સમગ્ર જીવનની ખુશી મળે, એ ખુશીની કંઈ શામ ન હો. આ વાત એટલા માટે કહું છું કે મને તારા જન્મની ખુશી મળી અને આજ તારા જન્મદિવસની ખુશી બધા માણીએ. બસ લવ યુ બેટા.
Isn't that special?
Hi! No, I cannot imagine you're getting 50 because seriously, I hate you for this and I don't want you to, please get 50 because I can never imagine you getting age. मैं ऑलरेडी बूढ़ी हो चुकी हूँ, 2 knee surgeries हो चुके हैं and imagine if you're not fit then who will take care of me? And seriously, I've never seen a person so fit like you. Anything, anywhere, you're ready. Yes, I will take care after special this knee surgery. I will take care of myself and बहुत जल्दी बहुत कोशिश करूँगी कि जो 40-45 की तो नहीं होंगी but I'll try to reduce 10 to 15 kgs जितना जल्दी हो सके. I know that is only not to look good or something but it's always for my health so that और ज़्यादा भाग सकूँ और ज़्यादा काम कर सकूँ क्योंकि अभी तो सासू बनना बाकी है, दादी बनना बाकी है, right? So दद्दू, future दद्दू, I don't want that कि कभी कोई आपको दद्दू बुलाए. But seriously, I love you a lot and I'm sorry for everything. Happy birthday.
Hi.
OMG Sameer, you have completed 50 years today. It's like unbelievable. અરે સાલા ગધેડા તું આટલો નાનો હતો ને આજે ક્યાંથી ક્યાં પહોંચી ગયો 50 years. સમીર, એક ચીજ છે, you are an inspiring personality and always stay as you are and wishing you a happy 50th birthday and live a glorious life. અને એ ચીજ મને હંમેશા યાદ રહેશે સમીર. Some trips with you were really like golden memories જે હંમેશા યાદ રહેશે. અને મને એક નાનપણની ચીજ યાદ છે આપણી. 7 years old I was and I had a fracture in the left leg and I was laid up in bed for 2 months. અને those 2 months the company you gave me 24/7 તું મારા સાથે રહેતો. આપણે મને એવું ફીલ ન થવા દીધું કે એ 2 મહિના લાઈક I was totally on rest અને I didn't have company કે મને બિલકુલ ફીલ નથી. That's it, Samir. That's it.
Hi Samir bhai, wishing you your 50th birthday. બસ એક ફાઇન મારી મેમરીમાં છે કે તમે જ્યારે હું એન્ગેજમેન્ટ કરીને આવી એ દિવસે તમે મને એક ફાઇન સરપ્રાઈઝ આપી કે ભાભી તમારી દેરાણી રેડી છે. એ હજી ચીજ મને યાદ છે કે આફ્ટર માય મેરેજ 28 years પછી પણ મને આ સેન્ટેન્સ મને ભૂલાણું નથી. એન્ડ ઓફકોર્સ યુ આર like my brother is and I'm very happy with that.
हाँ
Happy 50th birthday, Papa! Oh my god, you've completed 50 years! And Ashrafia told me to make this video of like 30 seconds or 1 minute. And I mean, this video won't even include of 0.001% of what I want to tell. But as I have to tell one fond memory, I have many fond memories, as you can see, all the letters that I've given you, and my superhero. But there is this one letter that I was in 3rd or 4th grade and I wrote this to you. But like, sorry dad, actually we were very sleepy, so we slept and we were drained off. But I miss you a lot. You are my brave and loving pops. In the confession game, I didn't tell anything about you because you are everything from me. I really meant it. One tear in your eyes and I can't bear it. Sorry dad, we love you so much, and we do. I really love you because you know all those memories that we have, like sushi nights, dad and daughter dates, movie nights, trekking together, cycling together. You've always been my best company and my best friend. Love you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chachu. You have entered your 50s now. Well, I just want to tell you that you have always been by my side, and I'm the happiest person right now to see that you have crossed your 50s now, and I guess I can just get too many more trips from you. And one more thing I would like to tell is that I have got too many memories with you. But the ones which I'm actually fond of is that when you used to come in the night from Delhi, and you used to pick me up when I was about 3 years, 4 years old, and you used to make me rotate the whole, just the whole living room. That was like one of the prettiest memories that I've got with you. And whereas I and Asher, we used to wait for you for every Friday night that you used to come home, and that's when we used to sleep in the nights at 11:30. Well, seeing you grow older is not what I really want to, but again, cannot stop it. Again, happy 50th birthday, Chacho, and love you so much. Mwah.
Happy birthday to Samir. Happy 50th birthday to Samir.
50 સાલની સાલગીરામાં તને ખૂબ ખૂબ બધાઈ આપું છું. તું મારા દીકરા જેવો છે સમીર. બહુ ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ વધો ને ખૂબ નામ રોશન કરો. ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ આપું છું. બરાબર?
It is very much glad to know that you are going to be 50th birthday, and I am very much God bless you, and you are જેવી રીતે તે પરિવારમાં બધા શાંતિથી પ્રેમથી રહો છો એના માટે તમને ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ અને ભગવાન કરે તમારો બધો પરિવાર શાંતિ આશ્રય સ્તુતિ વતી બધા કૃષ્ણા અને આયુષી બધા પ્રોસ્પર થાય વિઝિટ થાય માટે આનંદ થાય અને બધાને અમારા તરફથી આશીર્વાદ.
Wishing you a very, very 50th happiest birthday to Samir Bhai. Samir Bhai has always been a very dynamic, very friendly person, very adjustable person. We never felt that he is our Vijaji. He has always been like my friend, my mentor, and always helpful in taking our family decisions and everything. We are very proud of him, and he is a simple, down-to-earth, humble person. Never he wants to come in the front in each and every way. Very, very, very down-to-earth person. We are very happy that our sister is married to such a lovely person, Samir Bhai. And he is a very family man, and also his family is very proud of him, and we all are also very proud of him. Hip hip hooray to Samir Bhai for the very, very, very 50th Golden Jubilee birthday celebrations. Thank you. We need a grand party from you, Samir Bhai.
Happy birthday, Bora Chacha.
That is one of the most coordinated birthday wishes I've ever seen.
Thank you, Bora Chacha, for always guiding us through our childhood, helping us, teaching us, loving us so much like your own. We're beyond grateful for everything. Thank you.
And for all the Del goodies.
और आपके साथ अभी तक हम लोगों ने जितने भी ट्रिप्स किए वो बहुत ही मेमोरेबल है, फन है। आपकी ट्रिप्स आज भी हम लोग मिस करते हैं। आपके साथ जो भी ट्रिप्स करते हैं किसी को आप सोने नहीं देते हो। सबसे
Let's plan a birthday trip soon.
Yes.
Happy 50th!
Hi Masosa, wish you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
What's special for 50th birthday? Call us for party. You're waiting for it.
Hi Masusa, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Samir. Welcome to our club.
50s club.
Yeah, 50th club.
मैं तो आ गए बट फिटनेस वाइज तो आप आ गए हो 40s में हो आप आराम से बहुत बढ़िया मासूसा 50th बर्थडे स्पेशल
Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बाय
Happy birthday, Samir Borosa. Great job in accomplishing your milestone, and I hope you have a lot of prosperity and happiness.
Happy birthday Samir ji. Amazing time and amazing milestone. आपको जितनी साल से जानती हो, you have been a one great uplifter of people and हमेशा carry amazing enthusiasm and excitement. I wish you the best for your life and keep continuing the way you carry the zeal for life.
Samir Jiaji, wish you a wonderful 50th birthday. Can't believe half century and it's a big milestone. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो हम सब की तरफ से. We are very very excited for your birthday. It's been amazing. When I think about it, I think I remember so many wonderful childhood memories. बचपन से जब हम लोग सब साथ में खेलते थे, गणेश के प्रोग्राम्स, अपने नवरात्रि गरबा के जब सब लोग साथ में जाते थे. I've always remember you as more as a person who is so structured, so organized, multi-talented. हर चीज में आप like you were ahead. Sports, studies, like academics or any participations, hosting programs, like you were all rounder. And that's one thing I've always been amazed and I really learned and observed a lot from you. That is an amazing. Besides that, I think it's amazing to call, you've been always a great friend, always a wonderful wisher. कभी भी आपसे बात कर सकते हो, कुछ भी टॉपिक चाहिए आपसे बात कर सकते हो. You've always been there as a guidance, as a good friend. Always amazing and I think you always encouraged everybody. सबको always आपने खुशी दी है, आपने help किया है. There are such wonderful memories, just can't even think like it. If I keep on talking, it will go for long and long and long.
So I sent a message to Chiru Chacho asking for the video, and after a day or so, I get a response back saying, Ashray, I have so much to say that just a small video doesn't help me cover it. And he sends 3 videos, and I looked at all the videos and they were so beautiful that I had to add all of them. Coming up.
तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Samir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Sam. Have a lovely day. Hi Uncle Sam. Wishing you a very 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 happy birthday. Thank you so much for being such a lovely part of my life. In fact, I'm remembering those days when we used to attend birthdays in Chandralok, and there was never a time that you and I didn't eat in the same plate. We always took one plate and we shared everything. I'm so happy that till date we are able to share so much between us. Thank you so much for the lovely person you are. You mean a lot and I love you, yaar. Hey Sam, this is something very spontaneous from my heart for you. Thinking about Jay, thinking about Viru. This is a happy birthday song for Samir from Chiru. तेरी जीत मेरी जीत, तेरी हार मेरी हार, हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरे यार. एक ही लाइन बनाया, तेरे लिए बनाया, प्यार से बनाया. हैप्पी बर्थडे, यू मीन अ लॉट सैम.
Happy birthday, Samir. You're definitely not 50. You're in fact more like a teenager. If you ask anybody at Dell, they will say you're way younger than all the new hires that we hire. Now, today as I record this, today I finished 22 years with Dell, but in those 22 years, 20 years we've been together. In fact, most relationships break in that time, but look at us, right? And jokes aside, I truly thank God because having you more than a colleague, you're a friend, and not just a friend, even a brother. My family feels absolutely safe when I tell them I'm with Samir, right? So you're one of the greatest blessings I've had. Now, what I admire most about you are your values, something which is very rare and genuine. Let that be values at work, let that be values with the family, let there be spiritual values. I think that is something which is very rare, and that's something I truly, truly admire about you. And I think if you ask anybody at Dell as well, they'll always say Samir is always happy, always smiling. So, right? That's one thing. And I think, Samir, when it comes to travel, you're like the Vasco da Gama of traveling. You put even the locals to shame in their own countries, right? So, once again, Samir, wish you a very, very happy birthday. And as they say, age is just a number. You got a lot of mileage. All right. Stay young, stay awesome, and love you lots.
I know, this video is getting long, but what can I do, Papa? You've got too many people who genuinely want to say something to you, and trust me, every word is coming from the heart.
Hi Samir, nice to know that you are going to celebrate your 50th birthday. It's a golden jubilee year for you. And just to share our happiness, this moment what Ashray is creating for you, very nice to know to realize that see, two of our families are more or less in the same realm. We have been together for the same 50 years what you are celebrating, and you as a person, definitely it has been a great experience knowing you, your heart, the kind of soul that you are, the kind of knowledge that you share, and the way you have brought up the family. So here's to your wins throughout this 50 years, and let's celebrate and make it big. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samir. Happy birthday to you. And in last, thank you.
आपके 50वें जन्मदिन पर जब तुम बूढ़े हो रहे हो तो मैं दुआ करूंगी कि तुम्हारे सिर पर जल्द सफेद बाल आए, तुम इतने साल तक जियो कि तुम्हारे एक भी दांत ना रहे और तुम्हारे बर्थडे का केक दूसरा खाए. સમીર, નામ તેવા ગુણ. આજે તમારા 50th બર્થડે પર અમને બોલવાનો મોકો મળ્યો છે તો અમે એટલું જ કહેશું,
You are an all-rounder in every field.
ધર્મથી લઈને કર્મ સુધીનું જ્ઞાન, બીજાને આગળ કેવી રીતે વધારવા, સપોર્ટ કરવો, પરિવારને સાથે લઈને ચાલવું, છોકરાઓને સમજવાનું અને સમજાવવાનું, આ બધા ગુણોથી ભરપૂર અમારા સમીરભાઈ માટે फूल खिलते रहे जिंदगी की राह में, फूल खिलते रहे जिंदगी की राह में, खुशी के आंसू छलकते रहे आपकी निगाह से, कदम कदम पर मिले खुशी की बहार आपको, दिल देता है यही दुआ बार बार आपको, दिल देता है यही दुआ बार बार आपको. वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे समीर.
આપણા બધાના પ્યારા સમીરભાઈ, આજે તમારો 50મો જન્મદિવસ, એટલે પહેલાં તો અમારા બધા તરફથી તમને જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા. સમીરભાઈ, તમારો હેલ્પિંગ નેચર અને બીજાને સમજવાની અને સમજાવવાની તમારી સ્પેશિયાલિટી, રિયલી વી એપ્રિશિએટ. ડિયર સમીરભાઈ, તમારી લાઈફમાં પણ મુશ્કેલીઓ આવી હશે, પણ તમે હિંમત અને મહેનતથી બધી જ મુશ્કેલીઓ આસાન કરી છે. રિયલી ગ્રેટ જોબ. અને અમારા બધાના ચહિતા સમીરભાઈ, તમને જીવનમાં ઘણી સફળતા મળી છે, કેમ કે તમને મળ્યો છે તમારા પરિવારનો સાથ અને તમારા સરળ સ્વભાવે જેણે તમને સફળતાના શિખર બતાવ્યા છે. રિયલી પ્રાઉડ ફોર યુ. અને છેલ્લે તો હું ફક્ત એટલું જ કહીશ कि पूरा है आपसे अपना ये संस्कार संगठन का परिवार, आपसे ही मिला है हम सब भाभियों को भाई जैसा प्यार। आप हो हमारे रिश्ते की अनमोल जेवर, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो हम सब के प्यारे देवर। Once again a very happy 50th birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, dear Samir bhai.
Happy 50th, Samir. Happy to see that you're going strong and hale and hearty. 50 is the new 30s. And I love our amazing friendship which we share over coffee, markets, children, and our girlfriends.
Hi Samir, happy birthday. Mahindra Kaka must be proud of you.
મમ્મી
Hi Samir, happy birthday to you. It is your 50th birthday. Your father, Mahendram Kaka, and Khud must be proud of you.
ને બહુ ડિસેન્ટ છોકરો છો તું સમીર ને આશરે પણ બહુ સારો છોકરો છે.
Wishing you a happy birthday, dear cousin Samir. You are helpful.
હેપી બર્થડે સમીર. ખૂબ 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 અંતરના આશીર્વાદ.
Happy birthday Kaka to one of the most motivated, inspiring and disciplined person that I know.
Samir, wishing you many candles to blow. Happy 50th birthday. May this day be special for you and get a life success and many more candles to come.
Happy birthday dear Samir bhai.
God bless you.
God bless you.
समीर, on a special day हम सब मिलकर बधाई देते हैं पूरा सा परिवार. I wish we were with you to celebrate this great event. आज काव्य में तुम्हारे जन्मदिन की बधाई दे रहा हूँ. आज तुम्हारे विशेष जन्मदिन पर ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है समीर, कम से कम तुम 100 साल तो जियो, कार्यरत रहे हमेशा तुम्हारा शरीर. अपने सभी स्वजनों की इसी तरह हरदम करते रहो सेवा. निश्चित है ईश्वर प्रदान करेगा यह उम्र रूपी शतक मेवा. तुम्हारे माँ बाप का नाम पूरे परिवार में बड़े गर्व से लिया जाता है. तुम अपने प्रगति पथ पर उनसे भी आगे निकलो, यही उम्मीद हमें विधाता है. वैसे तो ईश्वर ने तुम्हें पहले भी भेंट दिए हैं अनमोल वरदान. सरल भाषा में इसे कहूँ तो वह भेंट है तुम्हारी सुंदर संतान. जन्मदिन तुम्हें बहुत मुबारक हो, तुम्हारे लिए ये बहुत तारक हो. ऑल द बेस्ट समीर, एंजॉय. थैंक यू.
Hi Samir, many happy returns of the day. I wish you very very best. હાફ શતાબ્દી પૂરી કરી, હવે પૂરી શતક જ્યારે પૂરી કરશે ત્યારે અમને યાદ કરજે. ઘણા ઘણા સારા કામો કરો અને જિંદગીમાં નામ કમાઓ એવી અભિલાષા સાથે મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. બાય ધ વે, તારી બધી પ્રગતિમાં પિંકીનો હાથ અડધો અડધ છે. ઓકે, એટલે વી ડોન્ટ વોન્ટ ટુ ફર્ગેટ હર. શી ઇઝ બાય યોર સાઇડ ઓલ ધ ટાઈમ. મેક શ્યોર યુ એપ્રિશિએટ ઇટ. થેન્ક યુ. લવ યુ.
જય જિનેન્દ્ર સમીર અને પિંકી, આશ્રયથી અમને ખબર પડી કે તારા 50th એનિવર્સરીના 50th બર્થડેનો સેલિબ્રેશન છે. જો આશરે કેત નહીં તો અમે ક્યારે બી ગેસ નથી કરી શકવાના હતા. તું 50 વર્ષનો થઈ ગયો છે, કેમ કે અમારા માઇન્ડમાં તો હજી તું અને પિંકી બે 30 વર્ષ જેટલા જ છો. કેમ કે ધ વે યુ બિહેવ, ધ વે યુ એક્ટ, યુ આર એવરગ્રીન યંગ. સો ભલે તું 50નો હઈશ, સ્ટે યંગ એઝ યુ આર એન્ડ વિશ યુ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ ઓન ધીસ ડે. જય જિનેન્દ્ર.
Jai Jinendra Samir, we wish you all the best અને અહીંયાથી આપણે પ્રગતિ સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ પ્રગતિ ઉપર ને ઉપર જ જવાનું છે. આપણા બધાનો પ્રભુ અને ગુરુ આપણા ઉપર બ્લેસિંગ મૂકે, બસ એ જ અમારી પ્રાર્થના છે. અને મે યોર હેલ્થ એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ સ્ટે વન્ડરફુલ. અને તું જ્યારે બી અહીંયા જલ્દી આવી શકે, દેટ્સ વોટ વી પ્રે ફોર. હેવ અ વન્ડરફુલ બર્થડે એન્ડ ફોર મેની મોર યર્સ ટુ કમ.
જય જિનેન્દ્ર.
જય જિનેન્દ્ર.
जय सच्चिदानंद. समीर जी, आपको आपकी 50वीं जन्मदिन की सालगिरह पर मेरी ओर से खूब खूब बधाई हो और शुभकामना हो. जैसे अभी तक हमारा जीवन ऐसे ही जा रहा था, लेकिन दादा भगवान के ज्ञान मिलने के बाद हमारे जीवन में संपूर्ण सुख और शांति और आनंद का एहसास हो गया और धीरे धीरे हम मोक्ष की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. तो आपका 50वां जन्मदिन पूरा जीवन आनंदमय उल्लासमय जाए और अंत में आप मोक्ष की प्राप्ति करें, ऐसी मेरी शुभेच्छा, शुभकामना. बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई हो. जय सच्चिदानंद.
So that's it, Papa. I think if Dada was here today, he'd be smiling. He'd look at you and say, he's proud of the life you've built, the person you've become, and the way you've taken care of everybody. I know we all feel the same way. You've been the strength, you've been my strength, you've been the calm, the reason behind so much of who we are. We miss Dada a lot, and I know he'd be proud of this moment too. We all are proud of you, Papa. Happy 50th. Love you.